When your engine suddenly shuts off, almost everyone blames the fuel pump. But what if I told you the fuel pump isn't the problem? Today, I'll show you the hidden components that can stop your engine instantly, and they're far more common than you think. 1. Crankshaft Position Sensor. The crankshaft position sensor is considered the primary suspect right after the fuel pump when a vehicle suddenly stalls while driving. The crankshaft position sensor is responsible for sending a signal to the engine control unit, ECU, indicating the exact position of the crankshaft. Using this signal, the ECU determines the correct ignition timing and ignition angle. Therefore, if any fault or interruption occurs in the signal sent from the sensor to the ECU, the engine may suddenly shut off while driving. To learn all the symptoms of a faulty crankshaft position sensor, you can watch the dedicated video linked in the description below. 2. Fuel pump. As mentioned at the beginning of this video, we will discuss all the possible causes of an engine suddenly stalling while driving except for the fuel pump itself. However, in this section, we will discuss fuel pump failure that is not caused by the pump itself, but rather by other issues such as a faulty fuel pump relay, a blown fuel pump fuse, damaged or broken wiring in the wiring harness, or a faulty fuel pump electrical connector. We've already covered all the symptoms of fuel pump failure in a previous video. You can watch it using the link in the description below. 3. Engine stalls when the vehicle hits bumps. This is one of the most deceptive faults that often confuses technicians during diagnosis. One of my customers told me that his vehicle would stall whenever he drove over rough roads or bridge expansion joints. From that information alone, I immediately concluded that the problem was electrical, most likely caused by a loose electrical connector or improperly secured wiring. After inspecting the throttle body connector, the crankshaft position sensor connector, and the fuel pump connector, they all turned out to be in perfect condition. I then went directly to the fuse box and asked him to try starting the engine. While he was cranking the engine, I randomly pressed on the fuse box with my hand. The engine immediately started. It turned out that one connector underneath the fuse box was not properly secured. After securing that connector, the problem was completely resolved. 4. Poor ground cable connection. A loose or improperly tightened ground cable, whether the battery ground cable or the main chassis ground cable, can cause many problems, including weak battery charging, engine vibration and rough idle, dim vehicle lights. In some cases, these problems may even cause the engine to stall suddenly while driving. To learn how to inspect your vehicle's ground cable, recognize the symptoms of failure, and check its condition, you can watch the dedicated video linked in the description below. 5. Fuel filter. One of the less common causes of an engine suddenly stalling while driving is a completely or partially clogged fuel filter. Replacing the fuel filter is one of the most important routine maintenance procedures for any engine. However, to be fair, a clogged fuel filter usually does not cause the engine to stall suddenly without any warning signs. Instead, it typically causes hesitation, engine jerking, and loss of power before becoming completely clogged and eventually causing the engine to stall. 6. Camshaft Position Sensor. The camshaft position sensor performs a function similar to that of the crankshaft position sensor by monitoring the camshaft. The signals from both the camshaft position sensor and the crankshaft position sensor must remain synchronized for the engine to operate properly. However, if a fault occurs in the camshaft position sensor or its signal, several problems may appear, including sudden engine shutdown while driving. To learn all the symptoms of a faulty camshaft position sensor, you can watch the dedicated video linked in the description below. 7. Idle Air Control Valve, or IAC valve. One of the most common components that can cause the engine to stall unexpectedly while driving is the IAC valve, especially when driving over bumps or while slowing down. We've already discussed this issue in a previous video. However, you should know that the IAC valve is only found on engines equipped with a mechanical throttle body, not an electronic throttle body. We've also covered all the symptoms of a faulty IAC valve in a separate video, which you can watch through the link in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new video. This was AutoFix Zone. See you in the next one.